So today we are going to learn how to fill a mehendi cone. So watch this video till end. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Okay. So now can you see an empty cone over here? I'll show you how to fill this. Okay. First you have to make a smooth paste of mehendi. Can you all see in the video? The paste is really very smooth. There are no lumps in the paste. If you are filling a small cone, you can fill it with a spoon as well if you don't have a piping pen. So first you have to, so you have to put it very nicely. You have to concentrate on where you are putting. You have to dab the cone and you have to put the paste down. You all have to make sure that the paste is going down like this. You have to dab it. It depends upon the size of the cone how much paste is going to fill in the cone. Okay, so now in this cone we will fill this much paste. Now how to pack it? First you have to take the sellotape and then you have to put it on the tip of the cone. Now you all have to stick it and then press the cone down like this. Now we have to fold the upper part of the cone. Then the next layer, you have to press it nicely. Now put like this. Then on the other side you have to put it like this. Then press it down. Now can you see the mehendi coming out of the cone? You have to put a small sellotape over there so it won't fall down. Now you have to start from the back and come in the front. And you have to hold it tightly so the cone comes out tight. Now you have to cover the next side. Then you have to cover the corners, both the corners, and then this corners. Yes, so the point which is out is covered like this. Okay, so now the cone is ready. Thank you.